What's going on, ToolTubers? It's your boy Kevin. Welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, I got Milwaukee's 15-inch Packout tool bag for you. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stick to the end of the video. I got something special right after this. This 15-inch tool bag made by Milwaukee, I got this off Amazon for about 50 bucks. I think one point they were going for like 30 or 35, but I couldn't manage to get that price, so I got it at 50, which is good because I was able to put my power tools in here. Now what I got in here is I got my M12 Milwaukee stubby, 3/8 inch. I have attachments for my vacuum. I have the actual vacuum in here. Okay, this is an M12 compact vacuum, 35 CPM. It's not powerful at all, but it's perfect for metal shavings and stuff, you know. Clean up panels, clean up little dust. I got my 1-inch SDS Milwaukee rotary hammer in here. I have my M12 multi-tool made by Milwaukee. I have M12 batteries here. I have 3.0s, compact 3.0s in here. I have 1.5 3.0s. 3.0s and 3.0s. So yeah, I got a lot of 3.0s because I got them on sale. They were like 2 for $70 plus a charger. So I have more attachments for the vacuum. So if you're interested in a vacuum, it comes with a bunch of attachments there. And I also have a 6.0 in here. I actually forgot I got an extra battery. That's nuts. I was like, do I got an extra battery? Yeah, I got an extra 6.0. And I can't wait to get my bandsaw because I'm looking forward into getting the M18 fuel bandsaw. It's like 300, over 300 bucks. And Home Depot. And I don't have that money, so I'm just like waiting. Hopefully I could catch it on a deal or something. But this battery's gonna go right on that bandsaw. Now I got a bunch of batteries in there. You know what I mean, man? And look at this stuff. Look, I got everything piled up. And I don't know if I'm in your light. Hopefully I'm not. No. Look at this. Look at all that space in there. This is a wide open bag. Okay. So you're gonna look how much I put in there, and it's got 2 side pockets as well. You can throw stuff in. I only have like attachments for the multi-tools in here, like like the sander, other blades and stuff. That's it. I don't have nothing in this pocket because you tend to fill the bag, and then like the bag will stretch. And it's hard to get stuff in here and in and out, so oops, it's hard to get in and out. So, but this is a 15-inch tool bag, and you can stick, organizers under here as well. You can put this on your roll box, everything. This is all integrated with Packout. So this is all the stuff that's in there, And if you guys want anything here that you see reviewed, please leave down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of all this stuff, Engage. Let me know what you guys are using. Let me know what I can do to change the channel. What you guys are looking for as far as reviews, stuff like that. Let me know if you guys want anything done here. Okay? I'm here for you guys. got all these power tools in this little 15-inch bag. It's not really little, but it's big, man. You know what I'm saying? So this is what's in my tool bag. Let me know what's in your tool bag. Let me know down below what you guys are looking for as far as reviews on these tools. If you guys are interested in these tools, let me know down below what you guys think of the channel, what you guys think, what I can change. I'm here for you guys, you know. I'm here to make things better, give you my insight, and try to, you know, give you insight on how you're gonna make your jobs easier out in the field. You know what I'm saying? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We do videos like this all the time. Catch me on the gram. Hit me up. Email me. Comment. Like. Share. Tell your friends about Kevin's Electrical Tool channel. Alright? And I'll catch y'all on the next one.